Hey everybody, it's Sarah from CreativeSarah.com. This is our April Club Couture Transfer. Are you in the club? Join the club at CreativeSarah.com. So today I'm going to show you something cute that you can do with just some scrap wood and this really cute Mama's Kitchen transfer. So I'm actually doing the second piece first just because it's a little bit easier. And I'm putting some washi tape down just to mask off part of a letter because I don't want to get any chalk on it. So I'm going to do the word because in mocha because I want it to be a different color than all the other words because I want it to stand out. The words say because I said so. So I wanted to have that word because stand out. Then I'm going to add the next words kind of below it and over to the left. Or over to the right. Sorry. So it's going to say because I said so. So we're going to go do that with chocolate. So because is in mocha and the rest is going to be all in chocolate. So it's a darker brown color. And it looks really, really cute together. Super easy. Just going to dry it a little bit. Make sure I can do the rest of the stuff that I need to do. Let me add this little arrow first. And so that's cute. And then I'm going to dry it. Okay, just drying every once in a while in between your chalking is great. I'm going to do a whisk in some custard color. And then I'm going to do the little whisk strokes. There are 3 different little transfers that come with this that have those whisk strokes on it. So we're going to do that one next. Just kind of put it down there. And you'll see when you pull it up. There you go. So it looks like there's a little motion. And I want to tie in with just a little heart. This is red-orange chalk. I love the red-orange color. It's a really, really nice red, and it's actually the color that comes with the Club Couture Transfer this month. So that's pretty sweet. Then I'm going to do the Mama's Kitchen. So we're going to do 2 little sidebars here with the spoon and the spatula. Do that in custard. And my custard's almost gone, so I have a few like little pieces that aren't quite smooth. I just had to remove that, but I try to use it up as much as I can. So here goes the next little spoon and spatula, and then those are going to like flank the Mama's Kitchen on either side. So we'll do Mama's Kitchen in chocolate like our other words. And then we're going to tie in that red-orange heart that is in the other piece. And so these 2 pieces are going to go together really, really well. You can see how easy the chalk is to put on these scrap pieces of wood. They were just painted with some paint, and I sanded it for a little extra distressing. And really good to go. You can really chalk on anything. So here is the little hearts that are going to be used to tie in the other board that I made real quick. And there you go. Mama's Kitchen, because I said so. Check out more at my YouTube channel and